Mars fruit? Hey, you say blue, Daddy?
Blue.
You say yellow?
Yellow.
You say green?
Green.
You say cake?
Cake.
You say strawberries?
Oranges.
No, you say strawberries?
Cherries.
You say strawberries?
Pluits.
What the heck is that?
You say fruit?
Pluits.
What's a blue?
It's like a nectarine apricot thing. Really good.
Yum. Okay.
Zoe, can you say ambidextrous?
And a necklace.
Hand me necklace.
Can you say pressure cooker?
Pressure cooker.
Can you say Uncle John's?
Uncle John's.
Can you say Uncle Long John's?
No.
Zoe. Zoe, can you say Uncle Long John's?
Huh?
I don't know why that's so funny.
I'm a triangle.
A triangle. Is this cake psychedelic?
I don't know.
Hey, I'm happy.
Me too. I'm so happy.
Zoe's not happy, she's a triangle.
I'm a triangle. Hey, are you happy?
Yeah. Yeah, Zoe, are you happy?
Yeah. I'm happy. My cake.
That's better with a fork.
Yeah, me too. And mine's fork.
That's mommy's fork.
That's mine's fork.
This
You
is
should
mommy's
use
fork.
mommy's fork. That's Zoe's fork.
This is mommy's fork.
Oh yeah, actually, that is your fork, Zoe.
Because I traded forks. This is Zoe's plate, but I have my fork.
Wait, can I have it?
Have what?
No.
Hey Zoe, can you say quesadilla?
He said yeah.
Quesadilla. Say quesadilla.
He said yeah.
Good job.
Triangle. Happy. Triangle. You say orange?
Orange.
Yellow.
Red.
Oh, that's right there.
Strawberries.
Zoe, can you say psychedelic?
Oh, yes, I could do it.
That was pretty good. Good job.